Jamie. I just wanted to give you a welcome, say congratulations on the newest addition to your family. And I wanted to put this at the beginning of this kind of workshop because I think it's so important, and that would be rest, nutrition, and hydration. So making sure that you are giving yourself a little bit of grace, getting as much rest and sleep as you possibly can, considering that you have a newborn, asking for some help, and letting people help you, because sometimes that is a really difficult thing. Nutrition is key here, so try to feed your body all of the good things. It helps it to recover. Your body has been through trauma, and I consider the first year after baby is early postpartum, and the first 3 months is fourth trimester. So your body is healing from whether it's a vaginal delivery or a belly birth. It's trying to repair tissues. You're going to need all the help you can get with that. So lots of protein and veggies and fruit and fats, all those good things. Try not to skimp on your calories, especially if you're breastfeeding. Hydration is the same way, or same thing basically. You want to make sure you're getting lots of fluids, as much water as possible. That can really influence your milk supply if you are breastfeeding. And yeah, and basically just giving yourself some grace. So try not to be hard on yourself. The dishes will sit in the sink, that type of thing. I know that, like, I used to hear that all the time, and I didn't really understand it until I had one of my own. So yeah, we're going to kind of go through every day with a different theme, and always feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Megan and I are excited you're here.